Hey guys, cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Anti-smoking advertisements first started in the 1960s and have been a significant global campaign ever since. Whether it is a motion picture or an advertisement, cigarette smoking scenes always comes with a statutory warning that it is cancerous. There are multiple health risks involved due to cigarette smoking, and it has been proven numerous times. Despite public awareness, it is difficult to suddenly wake up one day and stop. Smoking is mostly done to cope with anxiety, stress, boredom, and even depression. To stop a daily habit is tough, but to stop an addiction is challenging. Sudden withdrawal leads to craving, weakness, mood swings, sweats, etc. The battle against cigarette smoking is one halfway when you decide to quit and work on your routine and habits. Take a look at the following tips to follow to quit smoking. Number 1. Involve your family and friends. The best way to initiate this journey is to intimate your friends, family, colleagues, etc. Most of the time, it is due to your social circle that influences you to smoke. It is important to address daily habits and routines, but more importantly, you must take a declaration so that they can support you through this journey. Firstly, your peers who smoke would not offer or invite you to smoke. Secondly, your family members would stop you from smoking or distract you from craving for it. The journey is challenging. However, constant support and encouragement from people around you will make all the difference. Number 2. Nicotine replacement therapy. Nicotine is the core addictive agent in cigarettes. This is the reason behind the shocking and discomforting withdrawal symptoms after you quit. With nicotine replacement therapy, you are provided a small quantity of nicotine sands. Symptoms like nausea, insomnia, cravings, mood swings, etc. can be regulated and controlled through nicotine replacement therapy. It is available in form of lozenges, patches, inhalers, sprays, and gums. Patches work slower compared to lozenges, gums, inhalers, and spray. However, the effect lasts for a longer time. Mostly, the latter is recommended for intense cravings. Instead of using a single nicotine replacement therapy product, a combination of nicotine replacement therapy products is mostly advised. Number 3. Dietary changes. Every addiction withdrawal syndrome has an entire connection with your diet. The same is the case with smoking. A study revealed that most people like to smoke a cigarette after a heavy, meaty meal. On the other hand, foods like vegetables, fruits, and cheese do not make you crave a cigarette. Another study revealed that smoking after a meal increases the risk of lung and bowel cancer. Therefore, swap your fleet mignon with a fresh veggie pizza. Also regulate the consumption of fizzy drinks, alcohols, and caffeine-rich beverages like coffee or tea. These drinks enhance the flavors of cigarette smoking. Therefore, opt for fresh juices or water while you are out clubbing or meeting friends for meals. Another habit to adopt should be to engage immediately after your meals. You could either sit your family to talk or do the dishes, anything to distract you from craving for an after-meal puff. Number 4. Therapies and support groups. There are a number of things you could rely on to distract and heal yourself. Indulge in therapies like acupuncture that is known to release endorphins that relax the body. This would help in controlling withdrawal symptoms. Another great tip is behavioral therapy, which helps an individual adopt a new lifestyle and learn habits and skills. Good habits come from adopting a healthy lifestyle and ritual every single day. Hypnosis is another great way to have you relax and determined to quit smoking. Consult expert hypnotists who have experience in similar case like yours. Nothing is better than spending time with people who are sailing on the same boat as you. Join a support group that would help you quit smoking and stay motivated to stick to this new journey. Number 5. Make a list of reasons to quit. The life expectancy of a smoker cuts 10 years shorter than non-smokers. So motivate yourself to stay determined by listing reasons that would make you give up smoking. Whether that's starting a family, becoming an athlete, or both, list them as reminders to keep going. All in all, the above tips would help you give up smoking once and for all. Remember to stay positive throughout the journey. It would be best if you stay determined and go slow and not go cold turkey. Hope you guys liked the video. Do comment your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel as it helps a lot.